Hey, it's Peter Fletcher with Hunting for Star Wars, and I'm gonna do my best for this, but here we go. We got the, how do I do this? I have no camera. Work. And, yeah. And putting together the Star Destroyer. We've got this one back, and let's see how we do. I have not assembled one of these bad boys for a number of years. So, yep, that's the back plate with the little cool grappling hooks that would be like to grab a hold of your spaceship. If you ever noticed that one in the back there. And the reason why I like this one is, boy, the stickers look all intact. Hard to find one of these that's not been gone through the bathtub. And yeah, so I just always thought this was one of the more cooler, unique play sets. Yeah. And so there's some of the landing gear, and then this front piece can come off really easily. It just pops right off. And whoop, landing gear in the bottom. And so you got your forward piece. I'm gonna get this all in place, ready to go, and your top piece here. And you got your chamber, and I think I have that little top piece in my original set, so we'll save that for last. So, okay, and enough with those pieces of paper. Yeah, and look at these stickers, just everything's in really good condition. And we got this one for a song and a dance. I cannot divulge my secrets, but she was good. And then, so right here in the back, you can feel all 4 tabs are still in place. So we'll just, just like good old Kenner, you put it together. So let's try to go ahead and snap this one with the back, and we're good to go there. And this forward piece, this is all from memory from like 40 years ago. And then these tabs, I remember putting this together, and there we go. And then that did not break. That looked like it was in. And I haven't broken any tabs before on this one. I don't remember really taking it apart per se. Okay, and now I find out why this one was getting sold so inexpensive. Looks like we got a little bit of somehow melt. Look at this side there is all straight, and she's got a little bit of a bow in her. But you know what? Hey, for the price that I paid for this rig, I'm okay with that. She's gonna display well, and she's got all of her accessories, and you know what, at the end of the day, I think I have this rear tray available. And crap, let me think. That I need to put this in first. This needs to go. Trying to remember now. This is gun. It kind of slides up in here. It's all about the finesse. And this goes in here. Chamber. Okay, I think this goes behind him. Yep. this is taking a little longer. I'm talking to the video. I got my friend in the background here. And I'll just leave that right there. I'm not gonna pop that in because it doesn't need, I don't need to prove anything. And I'll double check that later. And then, oh shit. I should have put this in first before I, so let's see if we can unfinesse this out. Let's get the meditation chamber in there. Oh wow, this is nerve-wracking. Okay, there we go. It just like showed me the way. I'm all over the place. Okay, there we go. That one there. And then this one. Okay, this actually goes up there. Anchor everything down real good. One more time, there we go. This goes there, that, and that one opens up in the front. Okay, now we can put this in. Not thinking. Okay, so if you're putting this thing together, put this first. Okay, that's in. And then let's go this guy here. Easy. At the same time, I'm trying not to break it. But sometimes certain vehicles got really good durability in the plastic. I'd say this is one of them. Other vehicles, like, if you treat the Death Star really well, that playset is really durable. The Hoth playset is, the attack base is like indestructible. This little door goes right over here. And I'll save that one for later for the finesse. And this one's the one that's always missing, or in my childhood one was broken in half because I got aggressive on that. And this just slides up there and then spins like that. Oh, I should do the other way though. There we go. And you know what, on my other one, there's this little guide, black guide piece that holds this up like that. So like when Vader's not talking to the Emperor, it holds it up here. So this is missing that, and we'll have to see, you know, if we ever want to get that little piece. We've got to put our gun back on here, and then finally, see the landing gear, and then see if that's not droopy McCool. There we go. So there is the Star Destroyer. Again, I think it'll display well from this side right over here, knowing that Yes, we are a little bit warped, but that's why, you know, at the end of the day, if I ever disclose this, it'll be, yeah, if I sell this, it'll be disclosed. Yeah, then you got temp chamber. So I'll show you this one again later set up. It took me about 10 minutes and 30 seconds, and have to glue those back in later. Cool. Cheers.